Jehunje was zo maar ik jeder de mias. We kan graag kunnen verlangen nollijk misschien waar parach na navist mooi de nege was zo kusonrietje.
Well, Friday night was quite often a night where I went into Glasgow city centre to see rock bands, and quite often went there with friends of mine, but in particular two friends, Jim Hutchison and Doug Naismith.
Nancy had just had a spinal operation, and we had met up and decided let's go out and celebrate because she was kind of back on her feet again.
And says we're going to go out and celebrate your good health, and yeah, that was it. You know, we went to the Clutha.
On a Friday night in Glasgow like that, payday, the end of the month, everything happened and build up to Christmas, so it'd be packed as much as it could be.
You just got carried away. It was so busy. The place really got busy. Band started. You could actually feel the music there that night. It was just one of those nights you kind of rode the wave of the vibe in the Clutha.
I was at home that evening, and then suddenly there'd been a strange noise, a really strange noise in the air. It was a helicopter, and we're used to hearing the police helicopters, but it was making a strange, slow, thudding sound.
We've got a little bit of breaking news to bring you now at the moment. We're hearing that there are reports that a helicopter has crashed into the roof of a pub. We believe the bar may be called the Clutha.
I've seen major incidents before, and as I walked towards it, I thought, wow, this is a proper major incident. I could see people being helped by ambulance staff and members of the public. I saw a man being helped into an ambulance who was covered from head to toe in dust. I looked to my right, I could see a body on the ground. I could see a sea of blue lights. Really quite a hellish scene.
I can confirm there are a number of casualties, but it's too early at this stage to provide further details.
Ach nach mirief dat kollochrisch an an ALBA is a me dagas nach eich geschier I buen.
I thought I need to post something, and I think I said something along the lines of, I've just seen a helicopter crash in Glasgow. Did anybody else see it? And my phone just lit up.
The idea that social media was kind of driving this, absolutely. It turns everybody that uses it effectively into their own journalists. This was sort of new.
Wel, changelach unskeelach kworak in je du. Ga ik u trure werk, agus dagen je die kriege te harske osplen if je Glaschu.
Wel, should je hun agus je de herking gemaakt er gelijk te wonen. Agus am dochas nach bi je de herking misschien ook hem gebracht tuurlijk. Ik heb er ga shachat in het traine keer de la de gekruid na minjin ga shachat in de minach.
You go out on a Friday or a Saturday night, or any night for that matter, you expect to come home and you expect to have a good time in between times. I never take anything for granted, I know not to, but you certainly don't expect something like that to happen.